Welcome to Dirad's Nextphone Enterprise User Interface. Enterprise Edition gives you many features that you can customize. Nextphone can also be used from anywhere as long as you have a browser and a headset. Let's start by going to portal.dirad.com. That's where you'll log in to Nextphone. When you log in, your username is going to be your extension at your domain name, which will be assigned to you. Don't put a .com at the end of your username because it won't work. Your password will also be assigned to you, but you can change it at any time. Let's log in. You'll notice when you land on your Nextphone Enterprise homepage, your voicemail messages and call history are presented to you. Here are some voicemail messages. If I hover over these buttons, I have options to listen, forward, download the message, save it to the system, or delete it. Taking a look at call history, you'll see the name and number of the caller. To call them back, you can just click on the number and pick the phone to use. Nextphone is easy to use and is accessible from anywhere. You'll never be tied to a desk with Nextphone. If you have internet and a device like a PC or mobile phone, you're good to go. Notice your contacts. The green dot indicates that the Nextphone user is logged in and available. This is called presence and tells you if a coworker is available before you take the time to contact them. Our customers tell us that presence is one of the most important features of Nextphone. Moving over to the contacts page, this allows you to add contacts, import a contact list, and export your contacts to a CSV file. You can also sort contacts by various criteria and do a name search as you type. You can click on a contact to call them. Hit the star to make them a favorite. You can also initiate a chat. If you want to do a group chat, you can add another user. If you want to edit the individual contact, you can do that right here. Let's check out answering rules. These rules are set at the user level, giving you ultimate control over your calls. To quickly block certain calls, click Allow Block. You'll see that you can also have a list of approved numbers, making sure only specific callers can reach you. For example, if I want to whitelist my wife so she can reach me at any time, I can add her number to allowed calls. On the other hand, if I want to block my wife, I'll add her number to block calls, but I'd never do that. You can also block anonymous calls. Answering rules rely on time frames. Let's add one. For example, you're going on vacation for a week. We're going to add a time frame. Let's call it winter vacation. Then select the dates you'll be away. Now let's create a rule. Let's add a rule for our vacation. There it is. During our vacation, we can tell the system to not disturb us. Moving on to phones, there's not much to see here, and Dirad will set up your phones for you at no charge. But if you're feeling tech savvy, here's where all the action would happen. You could do this yourself and have a phone set up in 5 minutes. Now for music on hold. This hold music only applies to your extension, so you can choose any music files you wish to play. As you can see below, I've added a couple of classical pieces. Click Settings to set up an introductory message. You can play a personal message to callers that will play once, followed by your hold music, which will play consecutive files during the hold period. Now let's add some more hold music. I think I want some variety in my collection, so I'll choose Guns N' Roses. This will be quite soothing to a caller who has been on hold for a while. Just kidding. Using commercial music may be in violation of copyright laws. Click Browse. Select your file. and you're good to go. Now we're ready to review call history. From this screen, you can view a list of incoming and outgoing calls, plus download, play the recording, and add notes to a call. This is a powerful feature, and you'll notice that call recording can be turned off if your organization does not wish to record calls. Our call center customers use call recording in their environments for quality control. Filtering the call history can provide you with information on your calls, allowing you to search based on multiple criteria, including date ranges, caller number, dial number, and call type. Unless you're the administrator, you'll only see data for your own calls. Okay, let's take a call. Notice you really don't have to be on any specific page to answer a phone call. Oh, there it is. Now I could just click answer to answer this call into my headset, or I can pick up my desk phone. To make an outbound call, you can use your phone, or you can click on your contacts and press the phone icon, and you can dial right from this phone pad here. Remember we talked about changing your password? Here's how you do it. Click on your name above, then click Profile. Once in your profile, you can change your password. It will take effect the next time you log in. Finally, when you're ready to log out, just click next to your name and select Log Out. That concludes our training. Thanks for watching.